training yourself to like pause after sentences. Like when you're so used to just like I'm like very upbeat, energetic. So I'll go and ramble and ramble and ramble. And it's I think you sound like a lot better like when you pause like that.
Just like you're doing now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right. So how do you like kind of remind yourself? Because it's easy to do it, when we're practicing it. But then on Monday when I go home and there's a patient in front of me and there's things going on, like how do you kind of remind yourself?
I'm going to answer your question in two different ways. One is whatever you learned today, whatever the main thing is, let's say pausing is your focus, forget everything else you heard today. Just do that and nothing else. What I do, either on my wrist or my calendar, I literally have the word pause written out. So it's reminding me several times a day. When I'm on virtual meetings, there's a sticky note on my laptop that says the word pause. Now, obviously, when you're in conversation, you don't consciously want to be thinking about pause. You're trying to have a conversation with someone, right? So what will happen is you're in conversation, you start out pausing, and then you forget about it. And then you remind yourself, I'm supposed to be pausing. Mindfulness. Oh, I forgot to pause. Let me pause again. This process of forgetting, retrieving, doing, this is learning. So you take one thing, become hyper aware of it for a week. When you do it enough times, it becomes second nature, meaning it goes subconscious.
So you kind of just like do it, and you're gonna like screw up it first.
Like, for example, do you need to think about tying your shoelaces right now?
No.
But at a certain point in your life, you had to consciously do it, right?
Yep.
That's what you're doing with your speaking right now. Consciously doing everything. You do it enough times, it becomes ingrained in your behavior, it becomes part of your personality. Yep. So we're very early on, don't try to do it as second nature just yet. Do it consciously before you can do it subconsciously.
Gotcha.
Helps? Thank you.
If you would like to learn to speak like a CEO and do it in record time, check the video description for our resources and classes. I'll see you in the next one.